Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to save your story which you posted on your Facebook application to your phone drive or your gallery. So go ahead and open your Facebook. Okay, I already have some pictures I had on my gallery, so I'm going to save this one up. In order to save it up, all you need to do is to select this icon at the top area. You can notice have different options on it. You can see edit story settings and then save up story settings. So go ahead and click on save up story settings and you can notice it said save. So now go to your mobile device and go to your gallery, and then I have this image open now. You can see the image is saved. Just for you guys to know that this image is actually saved, I'm just going to go ahead and create a different random I'm going to go ahead and create a different story, and then I'm going to say TS Tech. And so just go ahead and click on this sample to select different timeline you like. Once you've seen anyone that makes sense, just go ahead and click on next, and then just say share to story. So once you share that story, give it some minutes to upload, and once it's uploaded, go ahead and open it. And if it's open, click on this option, just go ahead and save it. And if it's saved, you can have it on your gallery, and then go to your phone gallery, open your gallery and back out. You can see it saved right here. So you can go ahead and use this as your you can share this anywhere you want, as your WhatsApp DP or your WhatsApp story also. So you know you can do something as cool as this on your WhatsApp. So that is one fine option for you to do on your Facebook app, and then carry it on anywhere. You can also post it on your Instagram if you have your Instagram installed. So that is just how to save your images and have it on your gallery. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment below if you have some question, and do like the videos, and please share it with your friends if it helped you guys. I would really want to grow my channel. I do appreciate your efforts. Thank you for watching.